Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for simple and real ways to make money online, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 7 real websites that pay you daily. Yes, you heard that right, every single day. And the best part? You don't need to invest any money to get started. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for extra income, these websites can help you earn from the comfort of your home. Make sure to watch to the end because I'll also share some bonus tips to help you earn even faster. Let's get into it. 1. Pico Workers, now called Sprout Gigs. Sprout Gigs is a website where you get paid to do simple online jobs. It used to be called Pico Workers, and it's trusted by thousands of users worldwide. On this site, people post small jobs like liking a video on YouTube, following someone on Instagram, signing up for a free website, writing a short review, downloading apps. These tasks take just a few minutes, and you get paid between 5 cents to $1 per task. It may not seem like much at first, but if you complete 10 to 20 tasks daily, it adds up fast. And yes, you can withdraw your money every day once you reach the minimum amount, which is very low, around $5. Sprout Gigs pays you through PayPal, Litecoin, or even Airm. Many people from Nigeria, India, the Philippines, and all over the world are using it to earn small but regular income every day. Small blue diamond tips to earn more. Focus on high-paying tasks like signups and app installs. Be honest and follow instructions carefully so your task is approved. Check for new jobs often. Some come and go quickly. If you have a phone or computer and some free time, Sprout Gigs is one of the easiest places to start. 2. Remote Tasks. Remote Tasks is a website that pays you to do easy computer tasks. These tasks help train artificial intelligence, AI, like helping self-driving cars learn or making software smarter. Some things you might do on remote tasks. Tag objects in photos, like circling a car in a street image. Write or correct text. Listen to short audio and type what you hear. Help AI understand different languages. Remote Tasks pays per task, and the more difficult a task is, the more money you earn. You can earn from 5 cents to $3 or more per task. The great thing is, Remote Tasks has free training. They teach you how to do the tasks before you begin. You can join their boot camp and start earning as soon as you finish. You get paid weekly, but in some countries, you can withdraw your money daily using PayPal or Skrill through a partner called Deal or through local payment methods depending on your country. Small blue diamond tips to earn more. Complete the free training. Trained workers get higher paying tasks. Start with simple tasks like image tagging or transcription. Be accurate. If your work is good, they'll give you more and better tasks. If you're patient and want to build your skills, Remote Tasks is great. It takes time to learn, but you can make $5 to $20 per day if you work consistently. 3. ClickWorker. ClickWorker is a platform where you earn money by doing small jobs on your phone or computer. The tasks are simple, and anyone can do them. Here are examples of what you might do. Write short product descriptions. Take surveys. Search for things online. Take photos of items or places. Do voice recordings. ClickWorker pays you in euros or dollars, depending on your country. Each task pays from 10 cents to a few dollars. And if you do many tasks in a day, you can earn $10 to $30 daily. To start, just go to their website, sign up for free, and take a short test. Once approved, you can log in anytime and start doing tasks. ClickWorker pays through PayPal, and in many countries, you can withdraw daily as long as you have reached the minimum amount, which is just $5. Tips to earn more. Complete your profile fully. That helps you get more tasks. Install their app. Some jobs are only available on mobile. Check for jobs in the UHRS section. They pay more. ClickWorker has been around for years and is trusted by people all over the world. It's a real and simple way to earn money every day without any experience. 4. Rapid Workers. Rapid Workers is another website similar to Sprout Gigs. It connects people who want small online tasks done with people who want to earn money. You can get paid to do. Follow someone on Twitter. Join Telegram groups. Sign up on websites. Watch videos and leave comments. Post on forums. Most tasks pay between 10 cents to $2 and take less than 10 minutes to complete. You can start for free. Just sign up, pick tasks you like, and start earning. Once your balance reaches $8, you can request payment through PayPal. Many people who use Rapid Workers say they get paid within 24 hours of withdrawal. Tips to earn more. Always read instructions carefully so your task isn't rejected. Do honest work. Don't try to trick the system. Try doing sign-up tasks. They pay more. It's a simple and fast way to earn extra cash, especially if you already spend time online every day. 5. YCents, formerly ClickCents. YCents is a popular website where you earn money doing online surveys, microtasks, daily check-ins, offers like downloading apps or trying free trials. The more time you spend on YCents, the more money you can earn. Surveys pay from 30 cents to $5, depending on length. Offers and tasks can pay even more. You don't need to invest anything. Just sign up for free, complete your profile. This helps you get more surveys and start earning. YCents pays through PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and gift cards. You can withdraw your money daily once you hit their low minimum payout, about $5. Tips to earn more. Fill out your profile completely so you qualify for better surveys. Log in daily to grab surveys quickly. They can disappear fast. Do extra offers and tasks for bonus cash. YCents is trusted by millions and is one of the oldest and most respected get-paid-to websites online. 6. TimeBucks. TimeBucks is a website that pays you for doing many different things. You don't need skills, and anyone can join. Here's what you can do on TimeBucks. Watch ads and videos. Complete surveys. Post on TikTok or Instagram. View slideshows. Sign up on websites. Do simple tasks and referrals. TimeBucks is available in almost every country and is especially good for people in Nigeria, India, Pakistan, and the Philippines. You earn in US dollars, and once your balance reaches $5, you can withdraw your money. Payments are sent every Thursday, but some local partners also offer daily cash-out options in some countries. Tips to earn more. Check out the Earnings tab to see what's trending. Join their referral program and earn extra from friends. But be consistent and log in daily. TimeBucks is perfect for people who want to earn while scrolling or watching content. 7. Inbox Dollars, for US users only. If you're in the United States, Inbox Dollars is one of the best websites that pays you daily. You earn money for doing things like taking surveys, watching short videos, reading emails, playing games, trying free samples, or signing up for trials. You even get a $5 bonus just for signing up. Most surveys pay between 25 cents to $2, and you can cash out once you reach $15. Payments are made through PayPal, gift cards, or bank deposits. Many users report getting paid within 24 hours. Tips to earn more. Check daily for high-paying surveys. Combine surveys with offers to reach payout faster. Use their app to earn on the go. Inbox Dollars is easy, fun, and a great way to make pocket money doing what you already do online. And that's it. These 7 websites are 100% real and free to join. You can start earning from your phone or computer, even if you have no experience. Remember, the key is consistency. The more time and effort you put in, the more money you'll make. And yes, you can get paid daily. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first, or if you've already used any of them. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more ways to earn online. See you in the next video.